It is Sunday. Time to do Jayla's hair
No.
again. Yeah. Yep. Because she got school tomorrow. Look at all that hair. And there's Jenny.
She's about to wash her hair.
All right, bye, Jenny. Alrighty, so we're back at it with another hair day. And she didn't want her hair combed out. She was literally crying. So this is literally a dried afro. She wants beads. Jenny's playing with the beads. Thank you, Jenny. Thank you. Okay, whatever. But yes. So today I'm going to do like a rubber band style that I just saw on TikTok, and we're going to see how that goes. Are you ready? Are you gonna cry? Yeah, you've already been crying.
No,
Yeah, because you was crying.
A little, but I don't know.
And look whose tooth is about to come out. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Let's take it. What is up, y'all? So we back at it again with another hair tutorial. Y'all haven't seen us in a couple of weeks because honestly we haven't been wearing protective styles. I kind of just been letting her rock her natural hair. And since she started school, she kind of wanted to like show her length, and then she had like a crazy hair day and blah 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 blah. So we're just now back to doing her hair because I was tired of waking up and she was complaining every morning about having to do her hair. So I was like, okay, so this week you're going back into a protective style because I just can't take it, and for both of our sanities, this is what we're gonna do. And of course, to maintain the beast and to tame the beast, you gotta part it. Jenny is just all over the place as always. She's not being fair. She don't want to share. She wants to take over and do Jayla's hair, which I offered her, but you know, she wasn't having that. But yeah, so I gotta split it into two because honestly, this is the only way I could do her hair. If I don't split it into two, like I'm just chaotic the whole time. Jenny knocked out the light trying to take over the camera, so I had to stop. So now I am just now getting back to fixing her hair. And yeah, like I said, for this protective style, I found it on TikTok. It was kind of like a rubber band twist method, which looked a little complex, so I was already eerie. And then since we didn't comb it out and condition it the first time when she washed her hair, this is me stretching it out now. So of course I have to put water back on it to moisten it because that's the only way she doesn't scream. You know, you can't just do it dry and bare. And then I have to go back in and moisturize it all the way because it was of course dry because she did not condition. We just washed her hair. Literally, she just cries the whole time. So, you know, I'm picking and choosing my battles at this point. It is what it is. But yeah, so I finally got the hair down. I stretched and stretched, moistened it, got it nice and slick. So put some edge control on it. So now we're about to go in and put the rubber band on here. And literally I just love this because it is, as opposed to like the goddess braids or doing like the two-strand twist, like loose and natural, I feel like the rubber band maintains it a whole lot more. And of course I do know it is going to put a little tension on her hair, but as I've already said, like we were pretty much hair out natural for the last 2 weeks, so she hasn't had any tension on her hair, so I was totally okay with doing the rubber bands. And like I said, as you can see right here, now that I'm done, her hair is shiny. So I did go back in and moisten her scalp. Of course, I have to do this in sections, but as you can see, the rubber band is holding it together pretty good. So, I don't even know, child. Like, I'm just trying to make it happen. Like, y'all know me. I don't know how to French braid, so I turned to YouTube and TikTok for hairstyles for both of us, because I'm just trying to figure it out for everybody. I'm all about cutting corners. One thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cut a corner. So yeah, this is the final result of one side, and it just looks really healthy after I moisturize it. You can see the parts are super clean. I tried to make them as clean as possible. Yeah, so exactly, we got a whole other side to do, and I like to do the back first. Well, I don't like to do the back first. I was still deciding what I was gonna do with the front, because let me tell you, this back, doing just the back took a whole hour for just that 1/4. So I was like, okay, we ain't gonna be able to make it through the front during the whole hairstyle. So I was like, let me just do the back one side, one style, and then we gonna have to figure out what we doing at the front, because yeah, child, I don't even know. I'm just like, just go with the flow. I wasn't panicking yet, and it's already like 2 o'clock. So I was like, okay, you know, we're not tripping. Of course, Jenny threw a fit, so I had to get Jenny a chair to sit down just so she could be patient and feel like she was, you know, a part of the group. I don't even know, what is she eating? What did you just put in your mouth, girl? But yeah, so I am back stretching and moisturizing her scalp, because I just really hate that we didn't condition her hair. But you know, like I said, I gotta pick and choose my battles with this girl, and she's just like, she do not be playing. She loves this hair. Look how good this came out. She loves her hair. Like, sis swears she is like Pocahontas. But I'm like, you don't ever want to get it done, so what's the point? So I finally got my life together, and I was like, ugh, what am I going to do to the front? So I was like, okay, back at it again, rubber bands. But this time we're not going to do rubber band twist. We're going to do rubber band connect. If y'all know what that is, that's something else y'all could kind of look up, but I will show y'all the final results. And she started getting lazy and was like moving the whole time. So I was just like, girl, just lay down so I could finish this. Like, at this point, it was, like I said at the beginning, it was 2 o'clock. So at this point, we're at 5 o'clock. As you can see, Jenny's not here. I had to take her in the room, put her down for a nap. So she's already been gone for like an hour, but this is how far we've gotten. So I was like, okay, we thinking fast. Okay, that worked out. Because then it's pulled back, and then, you know, I'm going to just leave the top out. And then, of course, that was just ghetto. Girl, and I'm sure this is women watching this, but y'all know I do anything for my child. So, of course, I had to breastfeed and do hair at the same time, because by then we were on a time crunch. So I was like, okay, one and done. We're completed. Now what are we going to do to the top? Now, while I think about it, it's all dried back out. That's the only thing about these curly hair girls that they don't tell you. Their hair be drying out fast. But look at my baby. Oh my gosh, she came out so
tomorrow's
cute.
not your birthday, but
her birthday is on Monday, so I was like, okay, you could be extra for the full week, and then I'm gonna figure out how to revive this. But yeah.
Oh yeah, cute. You like it?
Yeah. Everything on the wall.